Hello everyone, this is the continuation of our birthday celebration, guys. And now, their father prepare a slice of cake para i-feed sa mga bata. At ganyan siya, guys, every time mag-celebrate kami ng birthdays ng mga bata. Ano talaga niya, guys, first slice of cake, i-feed talaga niya. At ngayon, tinatawag na naman niya ako. At kasama pala ako dito. kaya, go, go, go! Kasali ako pala doon sa spoon feeding, guys. Again, thank you very much, Bang, for the love and care to us. Salamat sa lahat. Dilian, hindi na ako mag-emote dito. And now, it's time to share our happiness. Mamimigay lang ako sa mga bata, guys. Kasi may mga bata dito sa likuran. Mamimigay lang ako ng cakes para sharing is caring. guys. See you next year. And thank you very much for all your support. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell all to my channel, guys. Janix Mix Vlog. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. See you next year. Bye.